Bitterly cold.
Yeah, okay, I'm gonna tell you. Bitterly cold. Bitterly cold means extremely cold. Bitterly cold means extremely cold. Bitterly is used for the negative meaning. Bitterly is used for the negative meaning. So extremely used for the positive meaning. Extremely used for the positive meaning. Right. No, or if you live in Canada, Russia, Ukraine, Poland, those countries, they believe, they are very near the North Pole, especially in winter. Right, they suffer bitterly cold. What? They suffer bitterly cold.
Yeah.
Right, the people who live in these countries, they don't like the cold weather. Cold weather is negative meaning for them, so they say bitterly cold. Right. So bitterly cold me extremely cold. Bitterly cold me extremely cold. Okay, another word, bitterly written. What is it? Bitterly written. Yeah, I've already explained to you last week, previous week. Okay, I'm gonna explain here. Bitterly written. Written comes from write. Write means scribe something on the piece of paper on the board. Scribe something on the piece of paper on the board. It's called write. What is write? Write mean?
Scribe something on the piece of paper on the board.
Yeah, that's good. Present tense is write, past tense is wrote, proper space is written, present participle is writing. Write, wrote, written, writing. Okay. Now supposing. What is supposing?
So to say, so to speak.
Yeah, supposing, so to say, so to speak. These three words, they have the same meanings. Before you give the example, you should say these words, right? At least one word. Supposing when you were young, you started at the middle school in the 7th standard. One day, your English teacher come into the classroom. Your English teacher asks all the students to write their English essay. Dear student, do you know English essay means a kind of essay is written in English. A kind of essay is written in English. What is a Myanmar essay? A kind of essay is written in Myanmar. What is a Chinese essay? A kind of essay is written in Chinese. What is Japanese essay? A kind of essay is written in Japanese, right? Now this one is an English essay. A kind of essay is written in English. Let's go essay. E-S-S-A-Y, essay. Essay means a piece of writing. A piece of writing. Okay. Or everyone, some answer. How many parts are there in essay? You should answer. There are 3 parts in essay. How many parts are there in essay? There are 3 parts in essay. What are they? They are introduction, body, and conclusion. Introduction, body, and conclusion. Those 3 parts must be balanced. Well, they must be balanced.
Yeah,
must be balanced. That's good. Must be balanced. But some students write the unbalanced essay, not a beautiful essay. Introduction is very long. The body is very short. So look like you try and draw a picture. Look like you try and draw a picture. That's good. Look like you try and draw a picture. The hat is very big. The board is very small. This is not a beautiful essay. He submit his essay to a teacher. SUB submit me, hand in. Submit me, hand in. Right. He submit his essay to a teacher. One, the teacher see his essay. The teacher gets surprised. The teacher remark the essay. R-E-M-A-R-K. Remark. What's a remark? That's good. Remark on his essay. Your essay is badly written. Your essay is badly written. Yeah. Badly mean poorly. Badly mean poorly. Poorly come from poor. Poorly come from poor. Poor means having no qualification. Poor means
having no qualification.
Right? Your essay is badly written. The teacher remark on his essay. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna explain the 2 times. Second time, listen. There. This is the last vocabulary. This is the last vocabulary. Okay. So, bitterly cold. Bitterly cold means extremely cold. Extremely cold. Right. Bitterly is used for the negative meaning. Extremely is used for the positive meaning everywhere. Okay. So, cold means a kind of feeling. hot also a kind of feeling. If you live in Canada, Russia, Poland, Ukraine, those countries, they are very near the North Pole, especially in winter. It snows heavily, and the people who live in these countries, they suffer bitterly cold. They don't like the cold weather. Cold weather is negative meanings for them. So they say the bitterly cold, right? So bitterly cold means extremely cold. Another word, badly written. Badly written means poorly written. Badly written. Written came from write. Write means scribe something on the piece of paper on the board. Scribe something on the piece of paper on the board. Present tense is write. Past tense is wrote. Past participle is written. Present participle is writing. Write, wrote, written, writing. Right. So supposing means so to say, or so to speak, these three words, they have the same meaning. Before you give the example, you should use this word. Supposing when you were young, you studied at the middle school in the 7th standard. One day, your English teacher came into the classroom. Your English teacher asked all the students to write their English essay. Do you know, students? English essay means a kind of essay is written in English. Japanese essay, a kind of essay is written in Japanese. Chinese essay, a kind of essay is written in Chinese. Right? Okay, so now this one is a English essay, a kind of essay is written in English. Essay, E-S-S-A-Y, essay. Essay means a piece of writing. A piece of writing. Someone asks it, how many parts are there in essay? You should answer, there are 3 parts in essay. How many parts are there in essay? There are 3 parts in essay. Hey, what are they? They are introduction, body, and conclusion. Introduction, body, and conclusion. Those 3 parts must be balanced. But some students write the unbalanced essay, not a beautiful essay. Introduction very long, the body is very short, so look like a child to draw a picture. The head is very big and the body is very small. It's not a beautiful, it's not a bad essay, right? He submit his essay to a teacher. Submit behind end, right? Submit his essay to a teacher. Whoa, the teacher see his essay. The teacher gets surprised. The teacher remark on his essay, or R-M-A-K, remark. Well, essay is badly written. Badly means poorly. Poorly comes from poor. Poor means heavy, no qualification. The teacher remarked on his essay, your essay is badly written. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, so now this is the last vocabulary. Today, I teach you good luck, English language, carpentier, carefully prepared, vitalico, badly written, only 6 vocabulary. And after practicing these, you have to practice 4 vocabulary. Go. Right or wrong, it doesn't matter. Try to focus your speaking improvement, speaking development, right? So go.